Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Today we've got the Samsung Freestyle Projector here to unbox. Let's see first of all what it says here about the projector. This came free with the S23 Ultra. It's been out for a year, and as you can see over here, they sent me a case as well, which is nice of them. So let's just have a look here and see what it is. See what we have here. Okay, it says a big screen. Optimal screen sizes from 30 inch to 100 inch, measured diagonally, based on the project distance from the surface. There's a smart TV functions on it, so you can connect your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to it. You can also connect a USB-C external battery pack, sold separately it says there, or requires supplied AC adapter, so it comes with an AC adapter. It has voice assistant, so I'm guessing it's Bixby, and it's full HD. Let's see, what else does it say? Smart calibration, so you basically just put it on your desk, put it wherever you want, point it at the wall, and it will take care of itself. Has a projector, it projects up to 100-inch screen on walls, floors, tables, and more with a revolutionary point-and-play design. Smart calibration. The Freestyle automatically analyzes your environment, including lighting, to help create stunning picture. Big or small, it says here, full HD. The Freestyle's picture is brilliant in full 1080p HD with gorgeous high contrast visuals. Also says here that you can attach an external battery to it, so you can take this on the move, take it camping or whatever. Every time you move the screen, it scales automatically, so Freestyle autofocuses your picture, so you can stop fiddling and start watching movies on the fly. And multi-voice assistant, so control Freestyle with a simple voice command for maximum convenience. So this looks good. Easy setup, it says here. Smart TV content, sleek and portable. These are the highlights. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's see if we can find some features here. Custom accessories. It comes with a, I'm guessing mine's green, but I haven't opened it yet. We'll open that as well. What it doesn't mention here, endless possibilities. What it doesn't mention is that this is actually a Bluetooth speaker as well. So you can connect your phone and play music. And based on other reviews that I've watched, this is looking to be something absolutely amazing. All right, so let's get started with the unboxing here. Here we have it. This is the Freestyle. Look at that, maximum 100 inches, 254 centimeters. On the side here, we've got the serial number, made in China. There you go. On the other side here, the Freestyle 100-inch. One cable for both audio and video, HDMI cable sold separately. And it's in different languages. And up here in different languages again. Let's see, anything in English? As far as I can see, no, there's nothing in English. All right, let's get started. So what am I gonna do? I'll open it from here. Let's see if I can do this. Bit useless at this. There you go. That's better. Have to be careful with it. Let's see. Fingers getting in the way. There you go. Let's open it up. Again. Oh my Lord. Okay. Maybe it will work now. That's better. That's a bit better. Let's see what we've got here. Okie dokie, nearly there. It's a bit hard to do this one-handed. There you go. And we open it up over here. Okay. What do we have inside? Okay, so it looks like we got instruction booklets here. A quick setup guide. Let's have a look. Okay. Quick setup guide. We've got. How does that come out now? Alright, so this must be the power brick over here. That must be the power brick there. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh, that does sound like the power brick. So we've got more instruction, but another instruction booklets. Power supply. Power supply. And I'm guessing the cable. USB-C to USB-C. And nothing else in there. Let's move that out of the way. And here is the projector. In the meantime, before we open the projector, one of these little packages. Let's see what else is in here. What's that? Oh, that's the remote control. Let's have a look here. That will be the remote control. Let's see that there. Which looks just like my other control for my smart monitor. There you go. That's the remote control there. Anything else in the box? No. Nothing. Nothing in the box. That can go there. Just packages and packages. And this, my friends, is the projector. So I'm gonna see if I can see it now. And open it up. These out of the way. Let's have a look. Can you see my? There you go. Okay. Alright. So here we go. What's that, my friends? This is the projector. Wow. That looks really nice. Oh, that's a diffuser cable. So there you go. Still got the plastic on it, thank God. This is a diffuser, light diffuser. So when you're not using it, you can basically use it as a light. And it sits wherever it wants. See that? Just point it at the wall and it calibrates on its own. So underneath is the speaker, and you can, if you can see this, you can put this on the wall. So these come out, and then you can mount it on the wall or wherever you want. If not, just have it sitting pointing the screen. That's the diffuser, and on this side we've got the switch for the mic here, a mini HDMI out or in even to touch your phone, and USB-C power. And here it is, my friends. You can see that. Do it on that side as well. So this is it basically. So you've got the projector, the cable, and some instructions on how to set it up. And there you go. So now let's have a look and see this case that it comes with, shall we? If you can see, this is my remote control for my monitor. You can see it. Let's see what I've done here. This is my remote control for my monitor. And that's remote control for the projector. So let's move these out of the way now. Got a small table here, so I've got to make do. Oops, there we go. And we'll move the documentation over here. Let's put that on widescreen. Get that out of the way. And here we go, we're going to get the case out now. Let's have a look and see. I'm hoping it's not green. I don't really like green, but this is easier to open anyway. And here we go. Oh, there we go. What does this look like then? Let's move that box out of the way. Move that here. Oh, that's big. You can see it. Let's have a look here. Is that plastic? There you go. Take that out. Oh, this is nice. What colour's that? Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's very, very nice. It's a nice green, actually. It is like a very dark green, and you can hang it from your belt. Take it anywhere you want. Hang it from your belt. Let's open. All right, so it unscrews like so, and then I won't take this off the stand, but oh, will it fit in just like that? Oh, okay. So on top, as you can see, got these grooves here. Got these grooves there. And this just literally fits in like so to take it wherever you want. And then that goes in and closes. And you've got your portable projector. If not, this is when you're going camping. You put an external, you put a battery pack, attach a battery pack to it. Look at that, that's quite nice. That is, that's really nice. That's very sturdy. You're not going to be breaking your projector with that. That's very nice. Look at that. So there you go. There you have it. Here's your projector. Let's get that so people can have a look. Have a look around. Wow. Yes. Very nice. I'm going to give this a shot soon, maybe tomorrow night. Nice. There's the speaker underneath, if you can see it. Let's put it up to the light. There you go. So it's a downward facing firing speaker. I'm guessing these are microphones. There. So that's the microphone switch on and off. Very nice. Very, very nice. Samsung here on the top or bottom, depending on which way you're pointing it. I'm guessing it's going to be like that because Samsung is going to show there. There you go. All right. This was Cypress Real Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching. If you want to see this in action, please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Have an amazing day. Bye.